Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start the building work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about digitalization. So first, let me understand what mean by digitalization. So why it needed actually. So basically, in digitalization, it's converting the document into a readable digital format. So if you are going to use an image kind of document, you need a OCR engine. So if you're going to process with the PDF kind of document, we no need of any OCR engines actually. So let's take a simple example, a claim management system. So employee A is uploading the claim details as an PDF and employee B is uploading the data as an image format. So what actually claim management system will do? So basically they used to capture the employee name and then employee claim amount. So they used to capture these things with respect to the format and used to evaluate with this claim amount. In those places, digitalization will take in a vital role. So it helps to capture the data which is an image and help to push into a digital format. Let me quickly jump back to the UiPath studio and have a view on it. Let me type for digitalize. Let me drag and drop the digitalize activity over here. So you can see it requires an input and it will return a two kind of an output, right? So what kind of input required here, which is document path. So what are the document which you need to extract the data? So you have to provide as a document path, and then you'll be getting a two kind of an output, which is a document text and then document object model. So document text, which has the extracted data from the document, and the document object model will help you to identify the particular document actually. So here I have just kept two kind of a document over here. Let me go here. Let me go to the project, click on the particular folder. So here I kept two kind of a document, which is a PDF and then image, to make a variant on this particular framework. So what you can do now, so just click on this particular folder, and just go to the document, just click on the PDF, and just to create an output variable over here, which is document text, and then control K DOM. Just click on save. Also we just need to take off this UiPath document OCR. So we'll be using an Omni OCR, which is specified for this document understanding framework to make accuracy better. Just go here, drag and drop your Omni OCR. So Omni OCR will help you to improvise your capturing skills actually. That's why we are going to use a Omni OCR in your document understanding framework. So we have given all the things actually now. So we have just given the input path, and then we have created two output variables, and then we have kept our Omni OCR. So also we can do one more thing. So which is we can create a output file over here to find out what are the things has been captured by this particular document understanding activity. Just go here and create a enter the variable over there. Just create a variable which is test.txt. Just save here. So this will give an output. What are the text has been captured in the particular PDF? We can view on this notepad file. Just save this one. Just debug this one. Let me wait for some times. So I guess it started capturing the data. Yeah, it's done. Let's put the project. Click on refresh. I guess we have a text file over there. So let me go to the project panel. Let me click on refresh. So we have text file here. Let me open this one. So I captured the entire data which is in PDF, I guess, right? So likewise, you can use this particular digitalized document activity which helps to capture the particular data. If it is not a digitalized document, it will make it as a digital document. So if it is a digital document, so we no need of using the OCR, and it helps to get the data from the particular document. So I hope you will be very clear about the digitalization step. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.